Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Yes, children. So, children, in my previous video, we had done about this topic, right? This topic. I hope you all remember. It's about birds, yes? So, what is the topic about? Birds, yes. So, I had explained you all few birds, yes, already. And the rest I will be explaining it in this video. Okay, so please pay attention, yes, and concentrate and pay attention to what I say. Okay, so yes, okay, so today's topic is about the birds. Okay, okay, children, so now what is this, children? It's a bird, right? Yes. So children, this is a bird. What is the bird's name? Myna. Okay. So children, myna are considered, it's a group of birds in the starling family. So what is starling? Yes, what is starling? You know, a family that usually they are dark colored birds, and they tend to flock together. Okay. So what is starling? A family that usually is it's a dark colored birds. They are dark colored birds and they tend to flock together. Okay, so this bird is also a myna, right? So this is also a dark colored bird, yes. So usually these birds, okay, so they are a group of birds in the starling family. Now they belong to Asia, okay. Mynas are considered talking birds, yeah, they are considered talking birds, somewhat like parrots, Okay, so they are considered talking birds for their ability to reproduce sounds, yes. That includes human speech, Sometimes they remove the sound of like a human. So in which especially when in captivity, yes, the situation it occurs that time when a person or animal, what is captivity? The captivity is that when a person or animal is not allowed to leave, so that's what. Okay, now what do they eat, children? Yes, children, so we are discussing about birds, yes. Okay, so what do they eat, children? They eat insects, fruits, seeds, grains, also eggs and young birds of another species. Yes. Also, children, you know what? They eat small mammals and garbage also, which is there on the roadside. Yes. Whatever food, the leftover or any food or garbage, since they are scavengers. Yes, they are scavengers. So what do they eat? They eat fruits. So what fruits? Fruits like bananas, dates, apple, dried apples, pears, plums and pineapple. Yes, children. Okay. Okay, children. So now which bird is this, children? This is a hornbill. Yes, what is the bird's name? Hornbill. Now hornbills are birds found in tropical and subtropical Africa. Yes. Hornbills are generally, they travel in pairs or small family groups. Children, these birds are omnivorous birds. Yes, they eat fruits, insects, even small animals that cannot, yeah, they eat small animals. And you want to know some interesting facts, children, about hornbills? Yeah, so what are some interesting facts about their appearance, nesting, their lifespan, their behavior. Yes, so children, they are, appear, how do they look? They are large birds which, yeah, they have distinctive, yeah, large beaks. Yes, they have a hollow structure on top their beaks, and they serve that their beak serves multiple purposes. Yes, children, do you know how many years do they live for? So children, lifespan, how many years do they live up to? The average lifespan of hornbills is around 30 to 40 years, but some can live up to 50 years, okay? Yeah, and what about their behavior? How do they behave? Hornbills are curious, plus they are intelligent, and also they love to investigate everything in their sight. Yes, they're very observant, okay? So, and what is the sixth one? Their habitat, okay? So population numbers, they are usually these types, this kind of this breed, they are declining in many areas, the population numbers of such birds, they are decreasing, so okay, have you understood about this bird? Yes, so this is a hornbills. Okay, so I've explained it about their, how do they look, their appearance, their behavior, what do they eat, okay, and how many years they live up to. Yeah, so I've explained everything. So you all can see the bird. Okay, so this is called a hornbill. Yeah, have you all understood? Yes, so let's proceed to another. Okay, so now children, which bird is this? This is turkey. Yes, turkey is a large bird. It's found in North America. Okay, turkey is used for both. It's also used as a food source. Yeah, for their feathers and bones. So turkeys, they are also, wild turkeys, domestic turkeys. Uh, Now, what do they eat, children? Wild turkey, they eat variety of leaves, grass, seeds, berries, insects, worms, snails, frogs, and small reptiles. Okay, where do they sleep? They sleep in trees. Yeah. Okay, wild turkeys. Okay, so usually wild turkeys, where do they sleep? They sleep in trees. So compared to wild turkeys, domestic turkeys are selectively, bred to grow larger in size, yeah, for their meat. Usually they are used for food also, yes. Yeah, cranes. Okay, now cranes are a type of large bird which with long legs. So can you see their legs? See how long they are? Yes, they have long legs. Cranes are very large birds, often considered the world's tallest flying birds. Yes, they are considered as the world's tallest flying birds. You know how much do they measure? So they measure around 10 centimeter, which can be up to 176 centimeter. Yes. So how much do they measure? Around 10 centimeter. So children, most species of cranes, they change the intensity of colors usually. Okay. So many species of cranes are dependent on the wetlands and grasslands. Yeah. Some of the cranes, they change their colors. Okay, so children, what do they eat? Cranes. Cranes also, they eat similar like the other birds. What do they eat? They eat plants, yeah, nuts, fruits, berries, worms, snails, small reptiles, mammals, and birds. Yes. So they usually consume a wide range of food. Yeah, both animal and plants they eat. Yeah, they feed on both plants and animals. Yes, such as mammals and birds, snails. Yes. Okay, so which bird is this, children? Peacock. Yes, So as you all know, peacocks, it's India's national bird. Yes, peacock. So India adopted the peacock as its national bird in 1963. Yes, it is one of the national symbols of India. Yes. So why is peacock India's national bird? Because this is considered as a symbol of grace, beauty, elegance in Indian traditions. Yes, it also it represents strength and power. Yes, so as you all can see, the peacock, yes, it's considered as a symbol of grace and beauty. Yes. Now, children, what do they eat? Peacock? They eat plants, okay, insects, reptiles, even snakes. Yes, poisonous snakes, fruits and meat, since they are omnivores. Yes, they eat both plants and meat. Yes, such as reptiles, snakes, insects, crickets, termites, plants, flower, petals, seeds. Okay, so they are considered as omnivores. Okay, so okay, sparrow. Yes, so children, you all must be knowing this. This is a very common bird. Yes, we see this everywhere. Okay, so which bird is this, children? So which bird is this? Sparrow. Yes. So children, a sparrow, they are small brown or grey birds. Yes, with strong strong and short beaks. Yes, so their beaks, how are they? They are very short. Yes, so they eat mostly seeds. Yes, so sparrow, what do they eat? Seeds. Yes, so mainly baby sparrows, how they are fed by their parents. Yes, so baby, how do they eat? They are fed by their parents. So children, see, as you all can see, these are sparrows. Yes, this is a house sparrow. Yes, can you all see sparrow? Here, this is also a sparrow. Hey, isn't this so cute? Yes, this is also a sparrow. So children, remember I had explained you about hornbill? See, these are called hornbills. Yes, see their beaks. It's so cute, right? Their beaks, they look somewhat like this. Yes, these are hornbills. Hornbills, Hornbi. See, you can see it. So, what is the spelling? Hornbill. Yes, they are called hornbills. I think there's only one pic, or I can show you another. Yes, they are so cute. See, they look like this. These are hornbills. Now, children, I'll show you some more birds. Yes, which I had already explained. So I'll be showing you their pics. I'll be sharing their, few. How do they look like, and what color they are. So I'll share it with you all. Okay, I'll share such pics. Bird pics. So as you all can see, I had already discussed about this bird, peacock. Yes, so here are a few pics. This is also a peacock. Yes, see, they look like this. Yes, aren't they so beautiful? Yes, they look so beautiful. That's why they are known for their beauty. Yes. It's also called as India's national bird. Yes. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. Hmm? See, they look so beautiful, right? Now I had discussed about crane. Yes, remember I had discussed about crane. So these are crane. See how they look. Yes, they look somewhat like this. Yes, and these are cranes. Okay, see their legs. Remember I told you all they have long legs. Yes, see their neck. Yes, they have long legs. See, they fly like this. See, yes. So children, this is Myna. Remember I had also discussed in the beginning about this bird. Yes, so this is Myna. Myna. Yeah. See, they look like this. This is Myna. Yes, see, they look somewhat like this. So they look so cute. Yes, see there. What is their beak color? It's usually yellow color. Yes, and they are dark. They are considered. That's why I remember I told you they belong to a starling family. Yes, starling family. What kind of family? Starling. For a family that is usually it's a dark colored birds. Yes, and they tend to flock together. Yes, wherever they go, they fly together. Yes. Okay, so children, for today only there these many birds I have discussed it with you all. Yes, so I hope you all must have enjoyed my chapter. Yes, and you all must have understood everything, and thank you so much for joining me today. Yes, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share it with your loved ones. Yes, and please comment, and you all can please suggest me, if you all want any, me to arrange any interesting contents for you all, so please comment and let me know in the comments. Yes, thank you so much. Bye bye.